The BlackBerry Evolve features a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus screen which provides a good entertainment experience. The sleek finish, diamond grip pattern and the curved edges help make it comfortable to use. The phone is available in black color. This phone has a 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal memory which can be expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card. The BlackBerry Evolve has dual SIM slots which support 4G VoLTE capability. It has a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus 10-point capacitive touchscreen with aspect ratio 18:9 and resolution of 2280 into 1080 pixels, which makes it suitable for extensive gaming and entertainment. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor for quicker access. The phone features a 13-megapixel plus 13-megapixel dual rear camera with dual-tone LED flash, HDR, portrait and night modes, face beauty, 2K video recording and slow motion. The 16-megapixel front camera comes with selfie flash. The wide selfie, night mode, private capture and 1080p video recording for some stunning selfies. The phone runs on Android Oreo and has a Snapdragon octa-core processor which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. It is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user guide, safety manual, SIM ejector tool and earphones. The BlackBerry Evolve is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.